How is it that human beings came to think? Carl Jung said something very interesting about thought. The typical person doesn't think. What happens to the typical person is that thoughts appear to them and they accept them as axiomatically true without further investigation. I believe that to be the case. I think that in order to think critically, you have to set up in the theater of your imagination something that holds a proposition and defends it, and then an adversary or two adversaries that take it apart, producing a collective within that will then hash out the thought. That's led me down the rabbit hole of trying to understand what we mean when we say something like, I thought, which would be the sort of thing that scientists would say when they're talking about how they do science. Well, I thought up my hypothesis. It's like, that's not much of an explanation there, buddy. You didn't know the hypothesis, let's say yesterday, and now you do know it. And so how did you not know it then? And how do you know it now? The answer is always going to be, well, it came to me. And so that's the crucial thing I want to dive into.